7 celebrity lip combos, all under $20. But I'm not just here to show you the looks, I'm here to tell the truth about something nobody talks about. Why hardworking women feel so unappreciated. So sit with me, bring your gloss, and let's get into it. Aaliyah's lips is forever. The soft brown, glossy, barely dare liner is the lip of a woman who doesn't need to scream to be heard. Aaliyah taught us that softness is power. In a world that tells black women to be hard, to be tough, to take it on the chin and keep moving, she was gentle and we loved her for it. I think we forget we allowed to be soft. We carry everybody. We hold it down. We don't cry in front of people because we're afraid they will think we can't handle it. But you can be the strongest woman in the room and still want somebody to be gentle with you. Both are true. I'm using a brown lip liner and I'm also using Nika Shimmer lip gloss. Be soft, be tender, especially with yourself. Aaliyah forever soft. Next up, we have Rihanna. Rihanna's lips is whatever she wants it to be that day, but the one we're recreating is a glossy brown nude with a slight overline. The lip that says, I don't need your approval to feel beautiful. Rihanna ended my insecurities. I am serious. She showed up pregnant at the Super Bowl. She wears whatever she wants. She built Fenty for women who've been ignored by makeup for decades, and she did all of that without asking anybody if she was allowed to. That's the confidence I'm trying to live in, not the confidence that needs validation. The confidence that just exists, that doesn't need you to clap, that doesn't need you to understand. I am wearing a brown lip liner, a jumbo size pencil, and I'm also wearing a lip gloss called Romantic Beauty in the shade Nude, and I'm also wearing Ruby Kisses Butter Balm gloss and Tanzelina in number 6 to recreate Rihanna lip combo. Be confident anyway, wear the lip anyway, take up space anyway. Rihanna confidence is without permission. Doja Cat's lip changes every era because Doja Cat changes every era. Today we are doing her Met Gala inspired lip combo, and most of the time she is called too much, constantly too weird, too loud, too sexual, too political, and just overall too much. Have you ever been called too much at work, in your family, in your relationships? When somebody says you're too much, what they really mean is you are too much for them. That's a them problem, not a you problem. I'm using Ruby Kisses Lip Tint Balm Tangerine. It gives an orange effect, and Yuppie is a glitter lip gloss, and these were $8. So be too much, be exactly the amount you are. The right people will rise to meet you. Doja Cat unapologetically too much. SZA's lip is a fuchsia gloss, slightly stained, but she's been talking to somebody who finally gets her. Effortless real. SZA writes songs about feelings overwhelmed and like nobody understands her. You all know what I mean. That feeling where you have to explain yourself 1,000 times and people still don't get it. Sometimes I feel like I'm screaming into a void. Like everybody around me is having one conversation and I'm having a complete different one. And I'm tired of translating myself. If that's you today, I see you. You're not crazy. You're not too sensitive. You're just somebody who else feeling things deeply in a world that pretends not to feel anything at all. What I'm using is a dark brown pencil. I'm using NYX Butter Bling that's similar to Fenty Beauty. And I'm also using NYX Smushy. It's called She's Deserving. And all of this were under $10. Feeling overwhelmed doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. SZA soft and overwhelmed makes her confident and realistic. Cardi B's lip is the statement. Bold, glossy, can't miss me. Whether it's pink, red, or deep berry, it says, I walk in the room and you gotta know it. Cardi taught me something I needed to hear. You don't have to be quiet to be respected. We grew up being told nice black girls don't make scenes. Don't talk too loud, don't laugh too hard, don't take up space, but Cardi takes up all the space. And she got rich doing it. Sometimes the most professional thing you can do is stop performing professionalism. Be honest, be loud, and tell them what you need. I am wearing NYX Pearline. It's a lip gloss, and I'm also wearing the glossy lip gloss by Yeppy. Be loud, they will adjust. Cardi B, loud and unbothered as always. Chlöe Bailey's lips is what I reach for when I feel underestimated. The glossy nude with the brown liner overdrawn just slightly. It says, I know exactly who I am even when you don't see it yet. There's something about Chlöe that I relate to deeply. She's been told she's too much, she's too sexy, too confident, too of herself. And she just keeps going, keeps showing up beautiful. Being underestimated is exhausting. People look at you and decide who you are before you open your mouth. They count you out in meetings, they talk over you, they give you less because they assume you will accept less. The liner that I'm using is a jumbo dark brown lip liner, and I'm using NYX Pearline, and I'm also using my Yeppy glitter lip gloss. Wear the lip anyway. Let them keep underestimating you, because the ones who count you out never see you coming. Tems lips is warm brown, balmy, and also like it's just naturally hers, and she carries herself like she's tired but unbothered. That's the energy. Tim doesn't perform energy. She shows up, she does the work, she goes home, and I respect that so much, because hardworking women, we don't get rest, we don't get 6 days, we don't get sick days, we don't get to clock out even when we're drained. We still expect to smile, still expected to deliver, still expected to be on. What was the last time somebody asked you how you were doing and actually waited for the real answer? So I am using Ruby Kisses Velvet Lip Cream. It's in a plum color, and I'm also using Yeppy. It's glossy lip gloss. I love very much. And I'm using Yeppy Clear Gloss. Showing up drained still counts. You're still doing it. Tim's drained but still glowing. And finally, we have it. All 7 celebrity lip combos, all queens. 7 looks, every product under $20. But here's what I really want you to take from this video. Hardworking women feel unappreciated because we make everything look easy. We hold it together. We don't ask for help. We don't say when we're tired. And then when we wonder why nobody notices. So here's me noticing you. I see you working, and I see you tired. I see you showing up anyway. You're not invisible to me. Tell me in the comments which celebrity lip combo match your mood today. Chloe's energy, Scissors overwhelmed, Rihanna unbothered. Drop it down below, and if this video felt like a friend talking to you, hit that subscribe button, and also subscribe for more under $20 celebrity beauty secrets every Thursday. Hype this video up and get it up to 300 views. See you guys in the next one. Ciao.